so dry, my face is numb. I fell into a rabbit hole where no one even knows I'm here. Can't you see me? I'm like an elephant. Can't you hear me? I'm screaming in your ears. Things don't seem to blow my way. Can hear the dogs from where I lay. Look at 'em run, then watch me fly. I guess I must be a ghost. Can't you see me? I'm like an elephant. Can't you hear me? I'm screaming in your ear.
God, so scary! It's as good as I can do. We need Jason Park here. Let me get a flip to fakie on it to beat Carlos. Dang it. Oh! Power slide. It's incredible because you can get incredible speed, as much speed as you want. Fly up it, fly down. This is like Skate 3 in real life.
These are your first impressions because you've been out of town for a while.
Yeah, it's incredible. I don't even have my board, guys. Forgot my board at home. This is Gabe's board. So if I had my board, I would have McTwisted this.
The funny thing too is that you feel like you're so much higher than you actually are. Like when you see Nigel and Carlos and all them go on it, it is terrifying.
Yeah, all the ramp skaters are like, Aaron sucks at everything.
Also, what I learned about this thing is that if you watch a video of yourself, it ruins everything.
Why?
Because then you see how high you're going and you start thinking about it. Like
Yeah.
it even happened to Nigel. And
Really?
It's Nigel, yeah.
Oh, and he was like, oh, I thought I was way higher than that.
No, he went up and he saw how high he was going and then he started overthinking it and he was like, holy crap.
Oh, yeah. I mean, look at how high those marks go.
Those marks right there, that's electric drift track.
No.
Yeah.
This?
Kid you not, yeah.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I gotta give a huge shout out to Keen. Yes, that's right, Keen Ramps. Whoa, I wish I could climb up that thing. So here's the deal, guys. These ramps are all handmade, just like this one was built by hand. Just like I build houses, they build ramps, right? The construction quality and the materials are really, really good, and they make literally everything that you can think of. They're most well known for their mini ramps. That is also from Keen. And actually, yeah, they sent us that kit and we built it. And you guys have seen the houses that I've built. So the skateboard ramps are really, really good. They're very easy to put together. Gabe recently built a whole quarter pipe by himself. Gabe is even less good at building houses than I am.
Might keep to like the smaller, like the 1 to 2 bedroom houses. You build the mansions though.
I built some rather nice mansions in my day. Yeah, so they're most well known for the mini ramps. The quality is super, super, super good, but they make a lot more than just mini ramps or wall rides. This was obviously a custom build for the Braille house, but they also have kicker ramps, jump ramps, A-frames, flat bars, literally anything you can think of. So I really, really, really appreciate them. They literally flew up here and built this ramp in the Braille house. So we are super, super happy and we're very stoked to be working with them and have this. Through September, you can use Braille Skateboarding promo code. The promo code is Braille Skateboarding and you can get 10% off your entire order. So if you're like, gosh, I need a flat bar for my garage and a quarter pipe, boom, keenramps.com. The link will be in the description below. You use Braille Skateboarding, promo code, and off the whole order, maybe you get a mini ramp. We should put some more mini ramps at people's houses and get some block parties going out here. Then it would be 10% off the mini ramp, which is a lot of savings. So I think that's really, really cool. So again, huge thanks to Keen Ramps for coming and building this, because if we would have tried to build this, we would have literally died. So it was not only that the ramp is good, but he also saved our actual lives. Plural. They ship all over the country, so get your ramps now. Link in the description below. Use the promo code. We'll see you guys there. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button, click that like button, and leave the comment below.